The most frequently asked question is, what do we eat here? Well, food, of course, we eat. So now I'm going to show you what we cook and how we cook. Today, we will have a very simple meal, grilled salmon. Salmon, I do not know where they got it from here, but salmon is a very popular dish here, so we will cook it. I'm going to try it for the first time, probably in 2 years, because they don't eat it anywhere. I don't understand at all where they are taking it from. We take a frying pan, an ordinary frying pan. We put it on fire. The secret ingredient has already been added. Many probably do not know that butter is the secret of food. And while it's still frying, I'll show you what we're going to eat today. Cucumbers. Japanese. I don't know, I've never eaten. Salmon. Dragon fruit. But we'll just eat it later, like dessert. We're already warmed up. We take 2 pieces of salmon. Since there are 2 of us, me and I, and fry. The first one went. The second one went. And that's all, most importantly, nothing at once. Salmon is almost fried. Here it is. Now we're going to turn it over to the other side. And after that, it will be practically possible to use it not all processes, because I think everyone understands how to fry salmon. In general, when the content is not the right one, the child tells me. And so, when we fried it, that's how it turns out. I have already cut these Japanese cucumbers. I have never tasted them. Let's try it now. And now, we will have another addition to this dish. We're going to fry pakka. I do not know why it is called pakka. Because in Chinese it's called Yo Tai. This thing translates as a buttery vegetable. And why is he a pak boy? It's a complete mystery to me. The Chinese don't know either. What is pakka? Pak Choi is this kind of thing. It is also called Chinese cabbage. It is fried very easily. So we cut off the roots from it. I just cut them off. Then we add the most secret ingredient. The most secret of all the secret ones. Well, as much as I added so much. What can you do? And just like that, you leave him for a few minutes, and that's it, he's already doing it. That's really delicious food. We're going to add another secret ingredient, nacho jalapenos. This is for those who do not like acutely. We will not add it to the frying, we will add it just like that. And now, later. And now we're going to add another one. The secret ingredient is soy sauce. We will add it to the Pak Choi, because it will give a very cool taste. That's how it is. Yes. That's the kind of food we get. And now we're going to eat it all very quickly. Now we're going to cut this kind of thing. It's called dragon fruit.
My beloved.
This favorite is very simple. Everything superfluous and unnecessary is cut off from it.
Cut off the excess.
Cut it off even harder. Good. Then we take it and make it like this. Radish. But in fact, it is very weak. Here we have such a view today will be on the sides.
Yes, very beautiful actually, but the view.
Boats, some old crocodiles are crawling around the marina here. Although we haven't seen one yet. But Dana says, although maybe there were just people so beautiful. But it doesn't matter. That's it, come on. Now we are approaching the island of Plan Bizzer. We are 8 miles away from it. The weather is great. We got a little wind blown up. We set sail. With such sails we are going now. Just a little more. And we will come. Now we are going to do. We have almost reached the island. Here we can, by the way, show it. You can show the island. Here it is. Here it is. And we need to assemble the sail. How are we going to assemble the staysail? I'll tell you now. In order to assemble a staysail, we need to join Giddonism. This means that I can't assemble a sail without a chocolate bar. I'll have it. I'm going to eat it and collect the sail. We do this as follows. And now we do it like this. We sit down, click on the button. Here we have a button, and we enjoy the process. Here is such a knot. Now we take another chocolate bar. Well, that's all. Actually, you can turn it off, because we are almost there.
Yes.
Do you think we found our friends? No. Do you know why? Because they gave us the coordinates, but they were standing on another island. And she texted me. The fact that you pass between two islands, turn left, we changed the location a little. There is a sand can. The depth is 7 meters, you stand on it. Everything coincided. Everything coincided, but there are no friends. We checked it with an echo sounder. There is no mast underwater anywhere. They don't stick out anywhere. Walked around 2 islands in a circle. No. I'm texting them. Friends, where are you? 10 minutes of silence like that. Oh, Pak. It's unbelievable. We made a mistake. We sent you the coordinates from the book. They are where we really stood. Our friends came up, who gave us this point a day later, where they were, and they themselves found themselves near another island. So finally, they are already here, our friends from Australia. They are going on a catamaran called Psychopus.
A sick cat.
Mentally unbalanced cat.
Our friends have already come for us. Now, we are getting on a boat with them and going to take pictures. The music is like that. God, how beautiful it is here. This is Capits. In general, it's unrealistically simple.
So, we are now on a wild island, which has a large number of turtles. It's very funny that the eggs of turtles, they are asexual. Boys or girls appear, depending on the temperature. If in the sun for a long time lay out boys. If in the shade, then girls. Or vice versa, but not the point. Here is such an island here. Simply heavenly. The place is a heavenly place, very beautiful. Now we are going to dive, swim, take pictures here. This is the tracks of turtles. Now we will go through the nest. It looks more like a tractor.
Yeah, I know, look at that.
It's a big one.
And there's another nest just there too.
Nice.
Don't stand in the nest though.
Yeah.
They may have got the eggs out already.
It's an amazing thing. I mean, I come back 20 years after they're born. I come back to exactly the same spot.
Yeah.
It's a good memory.